Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the April 2021 Knitcrate. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know what Knitcrate is a monthly yarn subscription service that delivers high quality hand-dyed yarn to your doorstep. They offer several different crates with different types of yarn and projects. And the crate that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is the Knitcrate membership, which also includes 2 skeins of premium yarn in the featured colorway of the month, as well as exclusive crochet and knit patterns. And they also send a little extra in each month's package as well. And if you're interested in purchasing Knitcrate, you can use coupon code AmandaCrochets for 20% off your first Knitcrate subscription. So I will go ahead and leave that link below in case you're interested in checking the Knitcrate out and getting your first subscription with 20% off. So let's see what we have in today's goodie package. Okay, so for today you have the inspirational Knitcrate booklet, which is going to have all the patterns to it. Please excuse my cat. And this is the yarn that we're receiving today. And so let's put that to the side for a second. So this is called the Petal issue, and this is April's theme. So if we open it up, we get the theme inspirations, the featured yarns, and the Petal collection, which I said. And this says, bright fields of flowers blooming and waving in the wind welcome spring. This vibrant rebirth injects new life into the season, putting a bounce in our step and inspiring this month's petal theme. And the yarn you see here for the Knit and Crochet Club is the Aldine Wool's Bloom. It's a blossoming blend of 80% alpaca, 10% silk, and 10% camel, spun into a bouncy chainette yarn. And these are all the colors you get for that kit. And then if you get the sock kits, then you have the Aldine Wool's Cloud Sock, which is a blend of 60% superwash merino, 30% mohair, and 10% nylon. And those are the 3 different colorways that you would get for that one. And this goes a little bit more in depth about the Knit and Crochet Club, which is what I'm going to show you today. And again, it's made 80% alpaca, 10% silk, and 10% camel. It's a DK weight yarn, which is 231 yards or 211 meters per 100 gram skein. And hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. And each skein is retailed to be $30 US dollars, and you get 2 in each crate. So again, these are all the different colors that you would get in this subscription. And then this is the sock yarn, and for the sock yarn it's $34 each, and then you get 1 skein in each crate. And then again, those are the colors that you would receive. You would receive 1 skein of one of those colors. And then we go to our first pattern, and this pattern is the Folio, which is a knit pattern. And this is just a scarf or a wrap, which is really pretty. And then here's another look at that wrap. And for our first crochet pattern, we get the Pretty Petals bag, which is this nice big market tote bag, or just a nice spring or summer purse. So I really like that a lot. I think it's really subtle and really easy to make, but it looks like it has a lot of nice texture to it, so that's always nice as well. And I really like that gold color too. And then if we zoom in a little bit, you can see more of that texture. So really pretty. And then you also get two sock patterns. So you get a knit pattern, which is this one right here, and it's called the Bright Side of the Moon socks. And you get that knit pattern. And then you also get a crochet sock pattern, which is called the Fireside Crochet Socks. And this is what that pattern looks like. So it looks like it uses a textured stitch, which is really pretty. So then when you reach the back, you get next month's theme. So it looks like next month's theme is the Happy Little Skeins, and these are all the colors that are going to be inspired in next month's crate. So I would say overall I really like this bag. I will probably make this bag. I'm not sure when I'll get around to it, but I definitely see myself making that bag as it's really pretty. So I really like that a lot, and it's probably one of the patterns in the subscription that I've actually enjoyed. So really looking forward to that. And then you get some fun extras. So this month they included a couple of different flowers, and I believe these are just stickers. So you can always put them on your notebook or anywhere else you would like to put stickers. So you can always do that. And then finally, when we come to the yarn, this is the yarn that I received. So it's kind of like a brownish gray color. So definitely very neutral. And as you could see, this is what the chain spun yarn looks like. So I don't think I've ever worked with a chain spun yarn like this before, so it'll definitely be interesting to see how it works up. And this is the Aldine Wool's Bloom, and the color I received is Forget Me Not. And again, it's 80% alpaca wool, 10% silk, 10% camel. It's a DK weight, 231 yards, hand washed gently, lay flat to dry. And for the recommended knitting needles, they recommend a US 5 through 7 knitting needles. And for a crochet hook, they recommend a US size 7 to a US I9. So it's 4.5 to 5.5 millimeter knitting, crochet hook. So this yarn is very squishy and it's super soft, and again you could see that chain spun yarn. You don't really get much of a halo to this yarn like the last yarn in the previous month's subscription, but it's still very soft and still very squishy. And like I said, I would probably make that yellow bag with this yarn. With all the colors that were shown in this month's subscription, I felt like this color was the most neutral, and they definitely have the color options go from, if you prefer more neutral colors, then you'll get something more like this. They also have the subscription box where if you like bright and bold colors, then they'll send you something that's more bright and bold. And then they have another option where you can just do anything goes. So I have the anything goes because I kind of like neutrals, but I also like some brights. And I feel like with the last three, with all three subscription boxes that I've received so far, all of them have been on the more neutral side. So it's kind of funny how things work out where everything is more neutral versus the anything goes brighter colors and whatnot. So I think for this, while this yarn is very pretty and I do tend to gravitate towards more of the grayish colors, I probably would have preferred maybe trying out one of the brighter colors, just because if this is supposed to be the petals version, I'm thinking of different bright colored flowers that are blooming in your garden, and this is not really something I would imagine being in my garden. So these are all the color options that you get again, and this is the forget-me-not that I got. Let's see if I can get a bigger close-up for you. So these are all the colors that are included. I probably would have gone with maybe the sunflower, the California poppy. I mean, they're all really pretty. I would have been happy with any of them, but I probably would have liked to try one of the darker, bright colored yarns, as I'm not used to picking up those. I gravitate more towards these, but I don't know. I just feel like I would have preferred a little bit more of a pop of color than the neutral color in this one. But still very pretty yarn, still very squishy, still something that I enjoy. I do like the color a lot. I just, for this one, I probably would have just gotten a brighter color, like I said. But still very pretty yarn, and I'm really happy with this month's subscription. I didn't like the sticker options that they gave with the little flower stickers, but again, it's just a fun extra that they throw in, so you don't have to use it if you like. I do like that one crochet pattern with the bag, so I'm really excited to get started on that. So overall, I would say this is a pretty good Knitcrate box, and I really enjoyed what I received this month. So again, this is the April 2021 Knitcrate, and if you enjoyed today's review and are interested in checking out the Knitcrate subscription service for yourself, you can go ahead and click on that coupon code, which is Amanda Crochets, and this will give you 20% off your first Knitcrate subscription. So if you are interested in saving a little bit of money while also trying out your Knitcrate subscription for the first time, you can go ahead and click on that link, which I will leave in the description box below. You can cancel at any time. You can skip boxes if you don't want to get a box for that month. So it's pretty flexible, and I feel like you get a lot of goodies and you get your value for the subscription box. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on the April 2021 Knitcrate, and I hope you decide to give this a try if you are interested. Alright, now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!